Hi, Best Marian. I just want to greet you a happy 18th birthday. I pray that despite of my lack of presence there sa celebration mo, I pray na mag-enjoy ka with our other friends and your college friends. Andito lang ako lagi. I wish that you will be happy as you celebrate this very day. Seize the day, best, kasi minsan lang to maganap and kahit wala ako dyan, sana mag-enjoy ka, yun lang. And I pray that God will continue to pour out more blessings in your life and even in your family. That whenever you encounter circumstances or struggles in your life, you will always approach Him um, in the midst of your problems. You will not only ask for the advice of us or your other friends, but above all things, I pray that you will seek God. And kasi siya lang naman yung makakasagot lahat ng katanungan mo. Kahit sinasabi kong I am a work in progress of God, hindi ko rin masabi kadalasan kung ano ba yung dapat mong gawin whenever you ask me. But lagi mo lang tatandaan na yung mga sagot ko, it is just a word na ini-impress sa akin ni God na sinasabi ko sa'yo. And I pray na through praying for you, your life will be blessed as much as other people is being a blessing in your life as well. And continue to be pretty, kind, simple, huwag ka sanang magbabago. Napakahaba na ng times na naging together tayo yung bondings natin. Masasabi ko na the best yon, ang projects, the best. And sana, my hope is that hindi kayo magbabago, na kahit hindi na tayo lagi nagkakasama, you will always stay the Marian na nakilala ko. Yung simple lang, yung walang masyadong gusto sa buhay, kundi masaya, laughing, ganyan. And kapag nag-struggle kayo even in your ACADS, I just want you to know na andito lang ako lagi, one text away, one chat away, you can call me anytime, basta free ako. I am willing to help you as much as possible na kaya ko. Don't hesitate to approach me because it's the only way and it's the best thing na nahi-help ko sa inyo, alam nyo yan. Lagi nyo lang tatandaan na love ko kayo. Hindi yun magbabago, best. Best Marian, I am really grateful na nakilala kita, na binigay ka ni God sa life ko. Maraming times na naging factor ka ng hindi lang sa ACADS ko, pero without you, hindi naging ganun kasaya yung high school life ko. And ngayon, dito sa UP, nag-i-struggle din ako, lalo pat mag-isa lang ako lagi. Pero, you know, God is by my side and sobrang thankful ako na marami akong friends dito na believers rin ni Christ, and I really appreciate them. If only God gives me the chance na makapunta rin kayo dito para ma-experience nyo rin talaga yung presence ni God, I would take that opportunity for you to know Him also. I know na in your life, there are friends of yours na lalapit, na gagamitin ni God para mas makilala mo siya, na in every aspect and area of your life, you will take the challenge na nafe-face mo, na nai-encounter mo as a challenge, hindi dahil unfair ang life, pero it really comes from God. I pray that you will be stronger, hindi lang sa love life mo. I know okay ka na, bes, and I'm really happy for you that you are okay right now. just continue believing in whatever faith you have right now. Don't worry. I always pray for you, and even other friends of us projects na Elaine, Pau, Julie May, Corina, Camila, Justine. Lagi ko kayo pinagpe-pray na okay lang kayo, na sana you are doing these things, you are doing these decisions of yours, not to seek recognition of other people, pero above all things, it's to glorify God, to honor Him, and to please Him. We are here existing in this life, in this earth, to praise His name and to be used by Him in order for the advancement of His kingdom. I know it's hard to analyze or understand these things, but it's just, I can't help but share it with you kung ano yung nangyayari sa dito sa UPLB. And I am really grateful that God put me here kahit dalawa nga lang kami ni Michelle dito. Pray na okay kayo dyan. My hope is for your happiness na nag-overflow, na yung grace ni God, it's just pouring out in every aspect in your life, in your relationships, in your finances. Finances, alam ko wala ka ng problema dyan. Best, share naman. Na joke lang. And yun, I love you. I love you so much, Best. Happy 18th birthday. Basta yun, love kita. Kapag kailangan mo lang ng friend, andito lang ako. Always remember that. As in, andito lang ako. Kung kinakailangan, kung free ako, lagi naman ako andyan sa Manila. Kayo lang naman yung hindi gumagawa ng time para makapag-meet sa akin. Pero every time na pumunta ako ng Manila, asahan nyo na free ako noon. Kaya ako nakaka-uwi dyan sa Manila. Hindi ko lang din kayo mabisita kasi kayo yung busy, ganyan. Pero, I pray na i-treasure nyo yung moments na meron tayo. And I am looking forward for more bondings with you. One thing na natututunan ko these days is to value friendship more. It's because God really impressed to me that the second thing na purpose natin kung bakit tayo andito is in order for the other people to know Him and to build relationships with you. Na talagang gusto ko rin naman i-treasure kasi it's really important for me. I really value friendship, the relationship. And please pray, pag-pray nyo rin naman ako sa love life ko, guys. Hindi, joke lang. joke lang. I love you. Take care and may God bless you even more. May His mighty hands approach you, na talagang mafe-feel mo siya na andyan lang siya working in you. Just always believe and trust Him even if everything's falling apart. Trust Him. Okay? Okay, I love you. Love you, projects, and enjoy. Enjoy the day. Bye-bye.